Hey guys, it's Erin here from Three Birds Renovations and I'm standing at our latest project. I'm about to have a chat to you about this exciting new product we've just discovered from our friends at Beacon Lighting. As busy mums, we love any products that make life easier, and this new technology is going to change your life. Hey Google, turn out the lights please.
You got it, turning the lights off.
We often debate whether or not to go with cool lighting or warm lighting in our projects, and this technology gives you the opportunity to actually have both at the same time without changing your light globes. This Beacon Smart Lighting technology can be fully automated, so you can set your lights to come on and off throughout the home whenever you want. It's great for kids' bedrooms when you want to get them up early or to bed on time. One of my favourite features of this technology is that you can dim the lights up or down without having to get up and touch the switch. The app here is super easy to use to change the lighting from warm to cool. And with a simple flick across, you've got 16 million colours to choose from here also. The real beauty of this system is that it's so easy to change out your light globes. Beacon Lighting really is the home of smart lighting. So if you'd like this kind of lighting in your home, head to your local Beacon store or jump online for more information. Hey Google, lights out.
Okay, turning off bedroom lights.